Some properties are built, others evolve over generations. Dating back to the 1700s, 179 Lindbergh Road in East Amwell Township brings together two things that are becoming increasingly difficult to find: a home with a genuine connection to the past and an established equestrian setting designed for everyday life with horses. From the barns, pastures, and riding areas to the original architectural details found throughout the home, this is a property where the land and the house tell the story together. .179 Lindbergh Road is where generations have left their mark, and the next chapter is waiting to be written.